Standing up straight with your shoulders back is a power position. Slouching, on the other hand, projects less power. Maintaining good posture commands respect, whether you're a leader or not. Hi Muse family! Good to see you back on my channel. Even if you can't read a person's exact thoughts, you can learn a lot from their body language. This is How to Read Body Language. Posture tells the story. Have you ever seen a person walk into a room and immediately you have known that they were the one in charge? The brain is hardwired to equate power with the amount of space people take up. Standing up straight with your shoulders back is a power position. Slouching, on the other hand, projects less power. Maintaining good posture commands respect, whether you're a leader or not. Eyes that lie. Look me in the eye when you talk to me. Our parents were operating under the assumption that it's tough to hold someone's gaze when you're lying to them. And they were right. When a person looks directly into your eyes while having a conversation, it indicates that they are interested in paying attention, while frequently looking away might indicate that the person is distracted or uncomfortable. Have you ever noticed someone doing this to you? At least now you know if someone is lying. Infrequent blinking. Blinking is natural, but you should pay attention to whether a person is blinking too much or too little. People often blink more rapidly when they are feeling distressed or uncomfortable. Infrequent blinking may indicate that a person is intentionally trying to control his or her eye movements. Exaggerated nodding. When you're telling someone something and they nod excessively, this means that they are worried about what you think of them, or that you doubt their ability to follow your instructions. Understanding body language can go a long way toward helping you better communicate with others. So, which body language do you practice the most, Muse family? Comment your thoughts below. I would love to hear from you. To win the $100, the only thing you have to do is subscribe to our channel and click the like button in all of our uploads. So, I will be hiding one letter of the alphabet in each video. Make sure to watch our uploads every day to find all the letters we hid for you and make a word out of it. The letters will be in the right order, so there is only one outcome possible. Once the letters are collected, write your winning sentence with the word you found in the comment section under our Tuesday video. Whoever comes up with the funniest sentence will be our weekly winner. The winner will be announced every Wednesday, so stay up to date to our latest videos. Good luck! Hit the notification bell for another discussion with us in the future. That's it for today, Muse family. Till next time, bye!